The Aseptic Conference is unlike any other conference.
This is definitely a not-to-miss event in the industry, and you've got to be there.
The Aseptic Conference is unique because we always have very much interaction with the FDA and other regulators. It's really where we get together and discuss ideas.
Really, it's about how operations for aseptic and sterile products can move forward. It's about how the industry supports each other to make sure that the products that we're putting out are safe for the patients.
And where we can really discuss what is happening and what is acceptable and what is not acceptable and what kind of technical ideas we should implement. At the Aseptic Conference, we'll be covering all the hot topics. We'll be talking about ATMPs, Advanced Therapeutic Medicinal Products, which is cell and gene therapy. We're talking about containment. We're talking about single-use systems. We're talking about implementation of Annex 1. So you really can cover all the things that are hot in aseptic processing right now, and you can get the answers to your questions. Aseptic from ISPE is about the only conference where we get so much FDA involvement, and they all talk about what they see in their daily work, in inspections, in reviews, and that's really where we're shaping the future of the industry.
If you are in production of aseptic and sterile products, or you are a service provider to any aseptic and sterile products, you should come to the ISPE Aseptic Conference. It will change your business. It will move you forward. It'll be something you'll remember.